Hello guys, welcome to the 31st session of using Microsoft Boot Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn how to use active learning in LUIS. LUIS uses active learning to improve the quality of the results. To perform active learning, we need to use review endpoint utterances, from where you can examine all the endpoint utterances and select utterances that it is unsure of. Let us switch to the browser and open Review Endpoint Utterances under Improve Application Performance. This area will contain all endpoint requests for review. If your app is not published or has not received hits yet, you do not have any utterances to review. From here we can filter utterances of specific intent or entity. Now I am going to send some request via endpoint. Let us send hey. Display only 3 cards. Display 5 cards. And refresh this page. It contains hey and its align intent is welcome. If this intent is proper, then click on Add to Align Intent button. If not, then you can change this drop down and click on Align. And now open Welcome Intent. You can see that it now contains hey with hi. And now we will review utterances of display intent. Here you can see that it contains some utterances that we have executed using endpoint. Using this drop-down, we can specify that for below utterances, show values that user specified or its name itself. You can see that there is a huge difference between scoring of those two intents. And you know that user may use the term only or may not in the utterances. So we need to align this intent, which will add this utterance in display intent and improves the score for this utterance. By clicking delete, we can remove utterance from the review. Note that once you remove utterance, it will not come in the review even user use the same utterance again. Using this checkbox, we can perform a bulk operation of align intent or delete utterance. Let us see what we have learned in this session. Active learning improves performance. We can change intent for specific utterance. We need to perform review endpoint utterances frequently to improve the performance of both. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.